Voice search SEO. If you are involved in SEO or digital marketing or own a website that aims for top search engine performance, voice search optimization is crucial. Today, let's explore how to optimize your site for voice search. What is voice search optimization? Voice search optimization means making changes to your website and content so that it shows up near the top when people searches using their voice, like through Siri or Alexa. By optimizing for voice search, you are adjusting your content to match how people naturally ask questions out loud. This optimization helps increase the chances of your website to be easily found by people who use voice assistant. Let's see, how does voice search differ from traditional text-based search? Length and tone. When people talk to voice assistants, they tend to use longer and more casual language, comparing to just typing. So instead of just focusing on keywords, it's important to make your content sound natural and conversational to match how people speak. Example, text-based search might be Italian restaurant NYC, while a voice search could be, Alexa, what are some good Italian restaurants in New York City?
I found a few top-rated Italian restaurants in New York City. There's Matt's Restaurant on West Broadway, La Nonna on Mulberry Street, and Serafina Tribeca on West Broadway.
Natural language use voice search queries are usually phrased like normal conversations using longer phrases and specific questions. That's why it's essential for businesses to create content that feels like a friendly chat using the same language people use every day. Example, instead of typing weather forecast, someone might ask their voice assistant, what's the weather like tomorrow in Los Angeles? Local focus. Voice search is often centered around local topics. While websites can be seen by anyone worldwide, voice searches tends to prioritize local information. This means businesses should pay extra attention to including local details in their content to meet the need of nearby customers. Example, Alexa, find coffee shops in NYC.
I found a few coffee shops in NYC. There's Blue Bottle Coffee on Greenwich Street, Laughing Man Coffee Company on Duane Street, and Blue Spoon Coffee on Chambers Street.
Hand-free convenience. Voice search is often used when people's hands are busy, like when they are cooking or driving. So it's important for businesses to make their content easy to understand and quickly accessible. This might involve optimizing for features like featured snippets, knowledge graphs, which provides immediate answer to user questions. Example, which is the top vacation spot for families? Or what's the best app for managing expenses? How voice search works? Voice search has revolutionized how we interact with technology. But how does it actually work? Here's a quick breakdown. Activating the microphone. You start by activating voice search either by pressing a button or using a wake word like Hey Siri or Alexa, which turns on the device's microphones. Speech to text conversion. The microphone records your spoken question or command, and speech recognition software translates into machine-readable text in real time. Natural language processing. Algorithm analyzes the text to understand the intent and context of your query, allowing the assistant to interpret natural speech nuisance. Information retrieval. The assistant matches your query to index information from various sources to find the most relevant response. Answering with text to speech. The assistant converts the response into synthesized speech, often accompanied by rich media results on the screen or in the voice. Ongoing learning. Interactions with user help the assistant learn and improve its understanding of speech pattern over a period of time. Understanding these technical aspects highlights the importance of natural language optimization. Voice search prefers conversational queries and content with natural wording rather than keyword-based results. Now the question arises, why do I need to invest in voice search optimization strategy? By the end of 2024, the use of voice assistant is expected to reach 8.4 billion units, up from 4.2 billion in 2020, indicating the numbers of people using digital voice assistants is expected to continue growing. Understand the convenience factor which drives the popularity of voice search. Google Assistant and Apple Siri leads in usage with 36% of users each. Amazon Alexa and Microsoft Cortana follows with 25% and 19% usage respectively. Other assistants are used covers the rest 1% of the market. Popularity of voice search. Although voice search is only the 6th most popular voice activity, it's the 2nd most popular search method for mobile users. Around 70% of the people use voice search because it's fast. Over 60% uses voice search when they are home alone, making this the most popular environment for voice search. SEO and voice search. Authoritative domain tends to feature in voice search results more frequently. 75% of voice search results ranks well in desktop searches, appears in the top 3 for voice search queries as well. How to do keyword research for voice search. Researching keywords specifically for voice search can enhance the visibility of your content among users who rely on voice assistant for answers. Here are some key aspects to consider when conducting keyword research for voice search. Long tail keyword. These are detailed and specific queries with lower search volume. For example, best SEO agencies in Chicago. Question keywords. Keywords that start with question words like how, what, or why, such as which is the best SEO agency in Chicago. Conversational keywords. These mimics natural conversation reflecting how people speak when using voice search. For instance, Alexa, how to do SEO of my website?
From silverscopydesign.com. Search engine optimization, also known as SEO, is the process of designing websites utilizing proper coding, well-chosen meta tags, optimal keyword density, and backlinks in order to create websites that achieve higher rank and placement on the most popular search engines.
Although these keyword types are distinct, they often overlap, sharing characteristics with one another. To find suitable keywords, consider using tools like Answer the Public. For example, searching for best pizza on Answer the Public yields questions like who sells the best pizza or which is the best pizza in the world. And you can also see some other questions here. You can also examine the search engine result pages to understand what content appears when users search for specific keywords. For example, when I type who sells the best pizza, I can scroll through and see what kind of results are coming. Or for example, which is the best pizza in the world? And you will see the kind of results which are coming. So I can quickly scroll and see what kind of results and what type of results are coming in top 10, which gives us some idea what kind of pages to optimize. Now, why are SERP feature important? A study on voice search in 2019 revealed that 70% of voice searches response comes from those features. Here are some common ones on Google. Featured snippet. These display a brief preview of web page content to quickly answer user queries. People also ask. These block offers related questions and quick answers. Local pack. It shows top businesses listing and maps for locally specific searches, providing additional information like rating or reviews. Since different voice assistants use different search engines like Alexa with Bing and Siri with Google, it's wise to analyze SERPs from various engines. This helps you create content that matches search engine preferences and increases your chance of appearing in these features. You can also use SEO tools like SEMrush and can do SERP analysis available under keyword overview to delve into SERP features for different keywords across diverse locations. For example, let's look at the search for best pizza places in Los Angeles. Simply input the keyword, choose the search location and hit search within the tool. Then explore the search analysis section to identify which results include SERP features. Optimizing your site for voice search. Use conversational language. Write content in a conversational tone, mirroring natural language interactions, incorporating phrases. For instance, instead of writing meditation, use phrases like what are the benefits of meditation to align how users might phrase voice search queries. Implementing FAQ pages. Add frequently asked questions FAQ pages to your website or incorporate FAQ sections on relevant pages. By doing so, your website can answer common queries and improve its visibility in both text and voice search results. Leverage schema markup. Don't forget to incorporate schema markup on your page as per the applicability, be it FAQ schema or product schema, event schema, etc. This will strengthen your website presence in search results. For example, adding FAQ schema allows search engines to display your FAQ directly in search results, enhancing visibility and user experience and optimize for voice research. Optimize website speed. Improve website loading time to enhance user experience. Slow loading pages can negatively impact voice search interactions and user satisfaction. For instance, user may abandon a website if it takes too long to load, affecting both text and voice search. Focus on local SEO. Strengthen your presence on local search platforms like Google Business Profile for location-based queries to improve visibility in local voice search results. For example, ensuring your business information is accurate and up-to-date on Google Business Profile can increase the likelihood of your website being shown for near-me queries. Ensure mobile-friendly design. Prioritize mobile responsiveness since a significant portion of voice searches originate from mobile devices. A mobile-friendly website is crucial for voice search, discovery, and overall user experience. For example, in India, where over 70% of voice searches comes from mobile device, a mobile-friendly website is essential for maximizing visibility and discovery. Continuously improve SEO practices. Engage in comprehensive SEO efforts to enhance website performance. For example, consistently monitoring search trends and algorithm updates can help you adapt your SEO strategy to remain competitive in both text and voice search. By implementing these actionable steps, you can optimize your website for voice search and improve its visibility and accessibility to voice search users. And that would be all for voice search. However, don't forget to check out my video, which is on the screen right now, on finding top 10 SEO tools you need now, which are mostly free, for further insights on boosting your website performance. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Cheers.